Hello. So today we'll be discussing about geometrical properties of angles. First, we have got a right angle. Right angle is an angle that is exactly 90 degrees. Second, we have got acute angle. Acute angle is an angle that lies between 0 and 90 degrees. Any angle that is less than 90 is considered to be an acute angle. Third, we have got an obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is an angle between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. Well, fourth angle is a special type of angle that is known as a reflex angle. Reflex angle lies between 180 degrees and 360 degrees. Next, we have got complementary angles. Two or more angles whose sum is 90 degrees is considered to be complementary angles. Moving forward to supplementary angles. Two or more angles adjacent on a straight line whose sum is 180 degrees are known as supplementary angles. Angles at a point. The sum of angles at a point is always 360 degrees. The vertically opposite angles. When two lines cross one another, the angles that are vertically opposite are always same. For example, in this case, P is 80 degrees, so therefore Q will always be 80 degrees. Now let's move on to angle properties of parallel lines. First, we need to discuss the corresponding angles. For corresponding angles, let's take an example of these two parallel lines. The angle P will always be equal to angle Q because they are corresponding. Likewise, in this case, angle C will be equal to angle D because they are corresponding to one another as well. Next, we have alternate angles. For two parallel lines that cuts from the center, the alternate angles will always be equal. In this case, let's take an example of y and x. Both of them will be of same magnitude. Lastly, we need to remember that sum of interior angles of parallel lines always sum up to 180. For example, in this case, A and B will be equal to 180 degrees.